Hello, I'm in a 2012 Jeep Liberty, and today I'm going to show you how to open your hood. So from the driver's side, we'll go right down here and try to keep this straight. There should be a lever right here with a little tension you pull. That pop was the safety releasing under the hood. There should be a little tension, which it's probably too dark to see, but there's a cable right there. You have to make sure everything's connected and somewhat tight to work properly. But now we'll go up to the hood. And then it should be loose now. Most vehicles, there's a lever towards the middle that you just pull. There it is. So we're pushing and lifting. So push and lift. So there's the hook it was on, and then there's those components that I just pushed on to open. If you're having issues, you might need to clean out any debris, use some WD-40 in this part, or sometimes if the hood's off alignment or this part, you need to recenter everything for it to work properly. And then worst case, parts are pretty affordable if you need to replace that little hook or the cables. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful, and hope you have a wonderful day.